guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe with those notifications and give us notifications up. Today we're gonna be making a breakfast food. So first we're gonna open the croissants. Okay, now we're gonna open it. Like that. And then we're gonna roll it out. Okay, so there's barely any space, so give me a second. So you're gonna cut it, rip the little pieces like that. So like that. Okay, then we're gonna add some piece of cheese. So we're gonna get some cheese, open it. We're gonna cut it into thirds or fourths. So thirds, we're cutting them into thirds. And then little pieces, like half. Maybe all, because this one's a little bit too big. So just keep it all, because I thought it was going to be small, but it's not. So like that. To all, so I'll be right back once I'm done. Okay guys, so I cut it in half, because when you roll it up, as you can tell, you can see it. So we're just going to make that half, like that. And then we're gonna add some egg on our cheese. Okay guys, so then we're gonna put some hot dogs. I don't really like sausage, so we're gonna add the hot dog strips. Okay, I made one more hot dog strip. I'll get it in a minute. We're gonna roll it up like this, and we're gonna put it in the air fryer, like so. Okay, so this one I'm gonna just leave it with cheese and some egg, because my sister just wants it really simple. She doesn't want hot dog or sausages. She likes hot dog, but she doesn't want them right now. So I'm gonna put this in there for like 20 minutes, so I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I had to go somewhere, so I'm just doing a voiceover for now, but it was really good. I tried it when I came back. I do recommend it. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you guys in my next video. And this is how they came out. Hope you like it. Bye.